Amex just announced a huge benefit for these three cards. Watch this video to the end to see what it's all about. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then please do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Now we've got some breaking news today. I've got the press release hot in my hands right now. I'll put it on the screen for you all to see as well. It is from Business Wire and it says American Express and Uber expand partnership to introduce new offerings for Platinum, Gold, and Green Card members. Now this is extremely exciting because not too long ago it was announced that the Gold Card from American Express would be losing the annual $100 airline fee credit. That's going away as of January 2022, so we got basically one more full year to use that benefit. But I thought, what would replace that benefit if the annual fee stays the same? So the cool thing here is that not only has Amex announced the new benefit for the Gold Card, but also a brand new benefit for the Green, Gold, and Platinum Card as well. So in this video, we're going to break down what these new benefits are and when they take effect. Let's check them out. So benefit number one is a free UberEats Pass membership up to 12 months. Now this applies to all three cards, the American Express Platinum Card, the Amex Gold Card, and the Amex Green Card. So the way this works is for your orders costing $15 or more, you'll receive unlimited free delivery, literally a $0 delivery fee, and also 5% off your order. In addition, you'll also receive free grocery delivery on orders costing $30 or more in select markets where that benefit is available. You can enroll in this new UberEats Pass benefit as of today, October 26th, all the way through December 31st, 2021. You can normally buy an UberEats Pass membership for $9.99 per month or $119 per year. But once you activate this benefit on any of these three cards, the Green Card, the Gold Card, the Platinum Card, you will have that membership fee totally waived. Now, normally the best way to waive delivery fees is, of course, to use the pickup option. So you can pull up the UberEats app, place your order, and then go drive and pick it up yourself. But now that you can have those delivery fees waived entirely and still have the food come to you, that can save you a lot of time while you're still working remotely, or even if your place of work has opened up again during the health situation that we're all dealing with, it can still be nice to have food come to you on those busy days. Now for benefit number two. This one applies only to the American Express Gold Card, and it will be receiving a $120 Uber cash benefit each year. It will be issued as $10 monthly statement credits, and you can apply it toward Uber rides or Uber Eats food deliveries. This is in addition to the $120 per year or $10 per month dining credit that is already on the card. That's the one that works with Grubhub, Shake Shack, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, and a few other select merchants, and that list may change over time too. So now what this means is you'll be receiving up to $240 in dining credits that can be used every single year on your food deliveries. $10 per month is how they're broken down, so up to $20 per month. Some of it to be used on Grubhub, Seamless, and the other merchants. The other $10 per month to be used through Uber Eats. And again, those can still be used through Uber rides as well in case you need transportation. This new benefit will be added to the Gold Card in early 2021, and it's replacing the $100 airline fee credit that normally comes with the card. That airline credit will end January 2022. So yes, that means in 2021, that will be the sweet spot to have the Amex Gold Card, because in 2021, you'll be receiving up to $120 per year for Uber Eats, up to $120 per year for Grubhub and other merchants, and still have the $100 airline fee credit. Collectively, that's $340 worth of credits on a card that has a $250 annual fee. And that does not take into account the sign-up bonus if you sign up for the first time, or all of the points you'll be earning on your normal expenses. Remember, this card earns 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets and 4 points per dollar on dining worldwide. So while this card has a ton of value over the long term, 2021 will be the sweet spot for this card, no doubt. So to break this all down for you in the simplest way possible, I'll give you a quick visual. These three cards right here, the Amex Green, Gold, and Platinum, are all receiving the new benefit of the Uber Eats Pass. And then the second benefit just applies to the Gold Card. The Gold Card is getting $10 per month Uber Cash to be used on Uber rides and on Uber Eats deliveries. Compared to a lot of other credit cards on the market today, these three have relatively high annual fees. So to see American Express giving us more options to earn back some of that fee, hopefully on things that we normally would spend our money on anyway, is a great new benefit. If you don't normally do food delivery through Uber Eats or Grubhub in the case of the Gold Card, then I don't recommend you start. Always spend money that you normally spend anyway. And by the way, if you don't already have the Green Card, Gold Card, or Platinum Card, then I invite you to apply using the links in the description below. They are referral links. So if you find value in the videos that I produce, I would really appreciate it if you support me and this channel by using those links. Make sure, of course, that the welcome offer through those links is the same as the public offer, because I want to make sure you get the best offer at all times. And if so, then go ahead and use those referral links to make sure you get the sign-up bonus and the card with all these new benefits. So of course, the big question of the day is, do you think this is a good move from American Express to add the Uber Eats pass to these 3 cards and also add the $10 monthly credit to the Gold Card in place of the airline fee credit? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.